Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 933. Chapter Gambling. Thirukkuran was the king of a small area on the northwestern border of the Nidada country. He was fond of gambling. He was greedy, jealous, and deadly character. Once, due to the conspiracy of Kalipurusha, the king of the Nidada country, Nalin, had to gamble with Thirukkuran. As fate conspired against Nalin, Thirukkuran defeated Nalin in gambling and captivated the entire country. Nalin, who was following the rule of justice, lost his country and immediately left the country with his wife and people. The people of Nidada country mourned Nalin's situation and followed him around. When Thirukkuran saw that, he chased them away. He also proclaimed that if anyone went after Nalin, they would be killed. Everyone got angry seeing his cruelty. Thirukkuran found a taste in gambling, and even after getting all over the country, he was not happy with it and was always engrossed in gambling. The country lost its prosperity because they always gambled by inviting people who were good at gambling. After many years, Nalin's misery was over and he came back and asked Thirukkuran to return the country. Even then, Thirukkuran said with a smile, "If you win me by risking something in gambling, I'll give you your entire country." Nalin started to play with his ring. Now the fate was in Nalin's favor. Thirukkuran lost the gamble and returned the entire country to Nalin. People started to despise Thirukkuran, saying that even after getting the country, he continued to gamble, and that's the reason the wealth was gone from him. Nalin got back the country and ruled with great distinction. If the king is incessantly addicted to the rolling dice in the hope of gain, his wealth and the resources thereof will take their departure and fall into others' hand. Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar explains about this in Thirukkural as follows. Urulayam ovadu koorin, purulayam poi purame padum. I recite. Urulayam ovadu koorin, purulayam poi purame padum. Gambling is detrimental to life. Gambling makes one pauper. Thank you very much. Indeed, Nandri, Vanakkam.